Decode Design Masters, a signature micro-series featuring thought leaders and brands that represent the best in architecture and interiors design. We all know that design is about personal style, and ICA helps architects work it into spaces that they design. Their range of exquisite Italian wood finishes make it the preferred choice for leading designers and decor brands across the world. At ICA, good taste shows.
So as an interior designer, the most important thing, apart from obviously planning the house, is what are the surfaces going to be cladded with. We did one house for a client which is like a 5,000 square feet place, and the walls that we got, the height of the space was literally 15 feet. And what we had to do was play with the whole place, not making it look too big so that you feel like you're lost in the place. So what we did was we used a very light colored veneer, open pore veneer, a lot of beiges, and we added a little bit of pop of color by using this sort of a green, which kind of makes the space a little bit more luxurious. So when I'm designing a place, I usually want to bring in a little bit of color in the place. Warm tones are usually what I am more attracted towards. So if you're using, say, a veneer on the wall, I probably use a lovely wallpaper, a patterned one or silk one. Everything is about touch and feel as well as how the light reflects on the particular surface. So if you're using like a glossy veneer, I like to usually use a raw silk sort of a wallpaper with a bit of a color, so kind of takes the light completely in. Something that's permanent should actually look really beautiful, so surfaces are usually more permanent compared to the loose furniture.
Let's say when we talk about design in lines of glamour and grandeur, we can all agree that it has to give a wow experience. In order to achieve this, we at ICA have been able to develop a pseudo range of polyester finishes. These are highly durable finishes which give mirror-like effect, which prominently displays all the grains of veneer and wood.
Glamour is a way of exploring the elegance in every design, almost mirroring the technical and aesthetic essence of surfaces. So their color brings intensity and continuity to the overall design, whereas texture adds layers and character. So making these choices is essential and calls for a practical approach. Also ensure that you take into consideration the size, the treatment and quality of craftsmanship, because these can be the real differentiating factors between any two surfaces and even any two spaces.
The idea initially is to design the space so that it kind of justifies the place. Like say for example, if it's a living room or a dining area or a bedroom, so where the sofas are going to lay and where the beds are going to be laid. Depending on all those factors, what we do is usually decide on what sort of finishes are going to come on the wall. The wall plays a very, very important role in designing a place because it kind of blocks the light and it reflects the light in a certain manner. It's very important to get the colors right, the surfaces right, the textures, the materials right, and obviously what sort of finishes they have.
They are highly resistant to scratches, chemicals, and the best part of the finishes is repairable. These finishes are also available in a number of colors to choose and suit one's sensibility.
Also speaking about small spaces, our firm designs 3 BHK to 4 BHK apartments as well. And the height, as you know, in our city, we probably get like nothing more than 10 or 11 feet. That's also a challenge in itself, but also you can make a very beautiful place out of it by playing with dyed veneer panels. As you can see in a reference picture that we've done, the space is small, but the windows are big. There are a lot of natural light that comes in, and hence we decided we'd play with a nice blue dyed veneer finish on the panel. It also brings out the whole element of color and a pop of color in the space, and I've kept the walls a bit subdued by the use of wallpaper and using different textures. So given this whole scenario when it comes to wall finishes, we can use a lot of veneer. We've been using a lot of veneer in our house since my dad started. The love for the wood is something that I have grown up with. So whenever I'm designing a place as well, I've been using a lot of wood in the place. It makes the house really warm. And if you add a little bit of metal detail to it and you add a little bit of color or you put a little bit of dyed finish in it, it makes the space look much more interesting, and you can do a lot of things with spaces.
Lucido polyester finishes can add glamour quotient to any space instantly.
Also, we urge the clients to use luxury products like veneer finishes, say marble and all of that, because we know for a fact that after 15-20 years, they will be the way you've left them, and they might require a little bit of maintenance here and there, but I think at the end of the day, for those next 20 years, your house is probably going to be the way we've left it, and we usually like to leave it like that.
If you're looking to add glamour to a space through softness or luminescence, finishes are tactile enhancements that can be a real feast for the eyes. Irrespective of whether you're looking for an accent piece or an entire wall, an eye-catching mirror finished surface has strength enough to hold a room. It can help to build character, add layers, or simply to create visual impact. To add glamour to a space takes good taste, and when you use it right, it shows.
We could all use a touch of glamour in our homes. With the right choice of surface finishes, that delicate balance of form and function is now within your reach. It's a great way to anchor your home and make a statement with it.